Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable eye comfort shield in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display, and here you will get eye comfort shield. Okay, just to turn on this button to enable eye comfort shield, so that more brightness will not be used, and also some yellow color will be added to the screen brightness, and your eye will be comfortable in reading your screen long time. Okay, it will not affect your eye. Effect will be very low. Okay, suppose if you want to disable this eye comfort shield, then you have to turn off this button so that eye comfort shield will be disabled. So in this way you can easily enable eye comfort shield or disable eye comfort shield. Okay, if you click over eye comfort shield, and you will have other option. Keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Okay, using at night can make it cause to fall asleep. Okay, so click on adaptive, that means automatically adjust your screen colors based on the time of the day. Okay, you will see minor adjustment you during the day and significantly warmer colors at night. Okay, if you click on custom, you can set a custom color temperature. Okay, so if you move to the right side, warm color will be more. Okay, if you move to the less, then it will be low. Okay, so in this way you can easily set decide color temperature too for eye comfort shield. Okay, if you would like to turn off eye comfort shield, just to turn off this button so that normal screen color will be used. So in this way you can easily enable or disable eye comfort shield in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.